everyone, I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Topbox. This is, I believe, box 8. This is a Canadian subscription. It is $12 plus taxes, no shipping. Or shipping is included if you want to say that. It is a monthly subscription. It features a lot of Canadian brands, which is kind of nice. You have to excuse the ums. Today's been a long day. Okay, so I've been really liking Topbox lately. They've had some really good preview boxes out. Last month I asked for 3. This month I did not get any, which is what can happen. They had like a NARS concealer. They had some hand cream. They had some Vichy products. I asked for, of course, the Vichy moisturizer, and I didn't get it, which is kind of disappointing. But at the same time, this month's box, from the spoilers I've seen, looks kind of nice. They also have a $10 add-on. The add-ons can range from anything. It can be makeup, it can be nail polish, moisturizer. We've gotten Glam Glow Water Burst moisturizer full size, which is absolutely amazing. We've gotten Ole Henderson's face mask, a mud mask, and I absolutely love it. So it's always a surprise. You never know what's going to come in the box. So I do have a link if you'd like to sign up. I pay for this box, and if you sign up, I just get a $5 coupon towards their one-of boxes that they have, their limited edition boxes. So let's get into this box here. Like I said, it is box 8, and I don't know if you can see that. I have my camera turned around this time to see if we can get a better view of it. So the very first item I see is Caudalie Vinyl Perfect Brightening Glycolic Night Cream. Even smooth skin texture, which is absolutely amazing. I have most of the line already, and I'm excited to start using it. I have a few other things I want to use first, but it's a good hearty jar. Ooh, it smells nice. Let's see here. Ooh. That little bit would do more than my whole face, so that would last quite a bit. Wow. So that's really nice. The next thing I see is a brand that has been in a lot of box. Apparently this is said Douce. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is an ultra precision eyeliner in blue. That is very blue. I have blue eyes, so blue doesn't necessarily suit me. So there is the swatch of it. I apologize now if this is bad. I have to get a better setup. I'm not sure about this, to be honest. I will probably give this to my daughter or one of her friends. It's interesting. That's what I can say. It looks kind of like 90s. So the next item I see here is Della Organics Natural Skin Therapy Nail and Cuticle Oil Hydrating Fusion. This is absolutely great. My nails suffer quite a bit from my job, so I will be using this. I do have like the NCLA like mermaid tears, but I kind of like this. This is like a roller ball, so I can just kind of put it on and forget it. Oh, I might as well do that now. I will do the other side later. Smells kind of orangey. That's what I smell. Alright, so the next thing I see here is Heduka Butterful Merlua Butter Cream in Citrus. We can all use body cream. It's been very dry here. Ooh, it's just a nice light scent. Don't need a whole lot from the looks of it. And that'll be great. Whew. Smells very lemony. So the last item I see here is Chapstick Total Hydration Vitamin Lip Oil. This is absolutely great. This is going to work with me tomorrow because my lips are so dry. I'm breaking into this bad boy right now. So I believe the sample is not part of the actual box itself. Sweet nectar. Oh, I know I just put on lipstick, but that is kind of nice. So the last item I have here is my $10 beauty surprise, and it is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color, and the color is Uncuffed. I'm really hoping this is my color. Kind of looks like it. That is an interesting bottle. Let's see here. Take that off. Let's see how it looks. I don't own anything by Rihanna. I tried their foundation, and I don't mind it. Oh, my bag is bugging me today. I wonder why. So there's the brush. I guess I won't have to. Let's see here. Not a bad color. I always have a hard time doing my lips. I actually really, really like this color. I think it kind of suits me. Maybe I'm wrong. That dried down really quick too. Holy. Wow. Ooh. I can't stop looking at it. It's actually really, really pretty. So for, I'm gonna all the packaging out. So for $12, and then this was the $10 add-on. I got, let's see here. I actually got almost all but one thing that I won't use, and that's this. So that actually isn't a bad box. I'm really super excited about actually almost everything in here except for one item. So I don't think that's a bad box at all. Like I said, it is a Canadian subscription box. They take out the payment on the 20th. They email you between, let's say, I'm going to say the 24th and the 27th for your Preve boxes. They've been doing the out every other month, but lately it's been like 2 months on, 1 month off. So you have to kind of watch your emails because the beauty surprise or the $10 add-on, it sells out really quick lately, like within an hour or two. So if you want it, you have to jump on it. It does have taxes. It does ship free with your box. So altogether, I paid about 22, like we'll say 25 altogether. And I mean, I'm pretty sure this is valued at $30 just alone. So the hydration chapstick is definitely a bonus. I have to say, actually, this is a well curated box. I'm more than happy with it. It's a little bit of makeup, a little bit of skincare, body care. Yeah, and they're higher end brands or brands I haven't heard of necessarily before. So yeah, like I think I'm very happy this month. And now if only Ipsy would get here, I'd be very thrilled. BoxyCharm, what is going on with these other boxes? Once more, I just want to remind you guys, I do have a giveaway that's going on. It should be popping up hopefully soon. If you guys could just subscribe and share my channel, that'd be great. I will be coming to a close with the beauty boxes. I am leaning more towards doing some dog work in the next couple months, more towards the spring and the summer. So I will try and post some videos of that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great night.